guys, welcome to Maris Papa 123. So I'm going to be trying 2 weird sweets. Well, 1 bar, 1 sweet. So we've got this one here, and we've got this one here. I've never had any of these in my life before. So yes, I'm going to try them. First off, I'm going to try this one. Let's get started. The first is a cola flavoured one, because cola is my favourite. Let's get started into this sweet. Oh, it looks like a hard sweet. What do you guys think? So I'm going to take... sour. This tiny thing here. Flipping sour, man. It tastes like caramel. I like caramel, but it's really good. While I'm tasting this, can't bite into it. Can't bite into it too. Oh God. What the hell? There's some sort of powder or something in this thing. It's so sour. Oh. Every time I try and bite it, some sort of powder keeps on pouring down. I can't take this. Yeah, easier to chew now. Okay, even better flavour. Well, it's obviously something called Zaza layer. Yeah. I'm chewing it now, it's better when So I finished it, guys. So now, it's animal milk chocolate bar. Let's get digging. Where do I open it from? Oh, there, found it. Tell me if you guys have had this in the comments, and if I like it, I'm going to start having more of these type of sweets. So, oh God, it says, finish the words below. I might save this to another video today. I didn't know it has stuff like that. What it looks like now, let's open it up. It's chocolate. Ooh, I didn't know it has these on it. It smells lush, but it's breaking half. This one says Mickey Monkey. This little monkey says Mickey Monkey. This one says Lucy Leopard. It's a leopard. Let's do leopard one first. Very good. Like, it's actually really good chocolate. Like, I don't know, the other half tastes different, so I'm not sure if this other half tastes different. So the other half can taste. No, they didn't taste the both same anyway. Savoury chocolate. Kind of lush and to look out for my other video. I might get a notification. If you subscribe to me, you'll get a notification for this. Because then you get, when you subscribe, you get this notification. I subscribe to a lot of people, and I got a lot of notifications for new videos. Please look out for this video. I'll probably be doing it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.